Ever wonder why some people seem to achieve success effortlessly, while others struggle no matter how hard they try? It's not just luck, it's psychology. The way you think, make decisions, and handle challenges determines your success. And today, we are sharing the biggest psychological shifts that can help you break through limits and reach your goals. Success isn't just about hard work, it's about working smart. By understanding how your mindset, habits, and emotions influence your results, you can start making real, lasting changes in your life and career. So if you're ready to rewire your mind for success, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and let us know in the comments. What's one belief about success you're ready to change? How to make your subconscious work for you? Have you ever wondered why, despite your best intentions and conscious efforts, you sometimes fail to achieve your goals? You may have the desire to succeed, the drive to get ahead, and meticulously laid plans. Yet, something seems to hold you back. What if that something is your subconscious mind? The truth is that the mind is a powerful but also complex tool. Understanding how to align your subconscious beliefs with your conscious desires is the key to unlocking the full potential of manifestation. In this bookshot, we will dive into the depths of the subconscious mind, explore how it influences your actions, and learn how to reprogram it to work in harmony with your conscious goals. By the end, you will have actionable strategies to start making your subconscious mind work for you and understand why it is such a critical component of effective manifestation. What is the subconscious mind? To understand how to make your subconscious mind work for you, it is essential to first understand what the subconscious mind is and how it works. The subconscious mind is like a vast storage system that houses your memories, beliefs, habits, and past experiences. Unlike the conscious mind, which is responsible for active thoughts and decision-making, the subconscious mind operates in the background, influencing your behavior and emotions without you even knowing it. Dr. Bruce Lipton, cell biologist and author of The Biology of Belief, argues that the subconscious mind is 1,000 times more powerful than the conscious mind. He explains that the subconscious mind governs 95% of our actions, thoughts, and decisions. This means that even if you consciously want to achieve a goal, your subconscious beliefs can push you forward or hold you back, depending on whether they are aligned with that goal. How the subconscious sabotages your desires. Imagine that you want to lose weight. Consciously, you might set goals, plan your meals, and commit to an exercise routine. However, if your subconscious mind clings to beliefs such as, "I've always been overweight," "I don't have the discipline," or "losing weight is too difficult," these thoughts can sabotage your conscious efforts. This is why some people have difficulty achieving their goals despite their conscious efforts. Their subconscious programming is not in line with their desires. To illustrate this further, consider the work of Dr. Joseph Murphy, author of The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. Murphy emphasizes how our subconscious mind operates on the basis of beliefs that have been ingrained in it over time. These beliefs often stem from childhood, society, and repetitive thoughts. If these beliefs are negative or self-limiting, they create an internal resistance that prevents us from manifesting our desires, no matter how consciously we desire them. A surprising fact about the subconscious mind is the way it is shaped, through repetition and emotion. The subconscious mind is more impressionable when you repeatedly expose it to certain ideas, especially if these ideas are charged with strong emotions. For example, if you repeatedly tell yourself, "I am not good enough," your subconscious will adopt this belief as a given, leading to behaviors that reinforce this self-image. Conversely, by consciously repeating positive statements and associating them with positive emotions, you can begin to overwrite these negative beliefs. This is the first step in aligning your subconscious mind with your conscious desires. The power of beliefs. Beliefs are the cornerstone of manifestation. What you believe shapes your reality, both on a conscious and subconscious level. A study published in the journal Psychological Science found that people who believe they are capable of achieving a goal are more likely to take actions that lead to success. This is because their belief influences their motivation, behavior, and perception of challenges. Dr. Carol Dweck, a psychologist known for her research on mindset, discusses this phenomenon in her book, Mindset: The New Psychology of Success. The author distinguishes between a fixed mindset and a growth mindset. A fixed mindset driven by unconscious limiting beliefs can prevent you from pursuing new opportunities or persisting in the face of adversity. On the other hand, A growth mindset, which is based on the belief that capabilities can be developed, leads to greater achievement and satisfaction. This shows how crucial it is that your subconscious beliefs are aligned with a growth-oriented perspective. The law of attraction and the subconscious mind. The law of attraction is a popular concept in the field of manifestation, often discussed in books such as Rhonda Byrne's The Secret. The principle is simple. You attract what you focus on. If you focus on positive results and success, that is what you will attract. However, this law works on both conscious and subconscious levels. If your conscious mind is focused on success, but your subconscious mind is full of fears and doubts, you may find yourself attracting mixed results or even failure. This duality is where many people struggle. They visualize success, practice affirmations, and create vision boards, but their subconscious programming is still stuck in old patterns of scarcity, fear, and doubt. Therefore, effective manifestation requires not only conscious attention, but also deep subconscious alignment. Neuroplasticity, rewiring the brain. One of the most encouraging discoveries in modern neuroscience is the concept of neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections over a lifetime. This means you can rewire your brain by changing your thoughts, behaviors, and beliefs. Dr. Joe Dispenza, neuroscientist and author of Breaking the Habit of Being Yourself, explains how our thoughts shape the wiring of our brains. When you think the same thoughts over and over, your brain creates strong neural pathways that reinforce them. By intentionally thinking new thoughts and visualizing positive outcomes, you can create new neural pathways that align with your conscious desires. This process effectively reprograms your subconscious mind, making it easier to manifest your goals. Practical steps to align the subconscious mind with your desires. Step 1. Identify limiting beliefs. The first step in aligning your subconscious mind with your conscious desires is to identify the limiting beliefs that are blocking you. These beliefs often operate below the surface, which makes them difficult to identify. Begin by examining the areas of your life where you feel stuck or dissatisfied. Ask yourself, what beliefs do I have about this situation? Do I believe I am capable of getting what I want? Be honest with yourself, because this self-reflection is critical to making progress. To dig deeper, you can use techniques such as journaling or meditation. Writing down your thoughts can help you uncover unconscious patterns that you may not have noticed before. Meditation, particularly mindfulness meditation, can increase your awareness of the thoughts and beliefs that influence your behavior. Step 2. Reprogram the subconscious mind with affirmations. Once you have identified your limiting beliefs, the next step is to reprogram your subconscious mind. Affirmations are a powerful tool for this purpose. However, to be effective, they must be used correctly. Simply repeating an affirmation without conviction or emotional attachment will not yield the desired results. For affirmations to work, they must be positive, in present tense, emotionally charged. For example, instead of saying, "I will be successful," say, "I am successful." To make the affirmation more powerful, attach a positive emotion to it, such as pride or gratitude. Repetition is key, so make affirmations a daily practice. Step 3. Visualize. Visualization is another powerful method of aligning your subconscious with your conscious desires. When you visualize your goals as already accomplished, you create a mental image that your subconscious mind accepts as reality. The more vivid and detailed the visualization, the more effective it will be. To enhance this practice, involve your emotions. Feel the joy, excitement, or relief of having achieved your goal. For example, if you are visualizing financial success, imagine the freedom and security that comes with it. Emotions are the language of the subconscious mind, and when you associate strong emotions with your visualizations, you reinforce the new beliefs you are trying to instill. Step 4. Act consciously. Subconscious reprogramming is essential, but it must be accompanied by conscious action. This is where many people misunderstand the manifestation process. They believe that thinking positively is enough, but it is action that bridges the gap between desire and reality. Conscious actions that align with your new beliefs reinforce them in your subconscious mind. For example, if you have reprogrammed your mind to believe that you are a confident speaker, you need to practice public speaking. Each successful experience will further solidify your belief and push you toward your goal. Step 5. Surround yourself with positive influences. Your surroundings play an important role in the formation of your subconscious beliefs. If you are surrounded by negativity or people who doubt your abilities, it will be more difficult to maintain positive beliefs. In contrast, surrounding yourself with supportive and like-minded people can strengthen your new beliefs and help you stay aligned with your goals. By consciously choosing to be in environments that uplift and inspire you, you create fertile ground for positive beliefs to take root in your subconscious. How alignment transforms your life. When your subconscious beliefs are in harmony with your conscious desires, a profound change occurs in your life. You no longer have the feeling that you are constantly fighting against unseen forces. Instead, your actions, thoughts, and emotions all flow in the same direction, leading to a more rapid and effortless manifestation of your goals. This alignment brings with it a sense of inner peace, as internal conflicts that previously held you back are resolved. You begin to attract opportunities, people, and circumstances that support your growth and success. The resistance that previously plagued your efforts dissolves, and you find yourself moving toward your goals with greater ease and confidence. Real-life examples. Consider the story of Jim Carrey, the famous actor and comedian. Before he became famous, Carrey wrote a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and dated it 10 years in the future. He kept the check in his wallet and visualized himself receiving such a payment. His conscious desire to succeed as an actor was reinforced by his unconscious belief that it was possible. Eventually, Carrey received a check for $10 million for his role in Dumb and Dumber, fulfilling his vision almost exactly as he had envisioned it. Similarly, Oprah Winfrey, who grew up in poverty and faced numerous challenges, attributes her success to her ability to align her subconscious beliefs with her conscious goals. She constantly visualized a better life for herself and reprogrammed her subconscious mind to believe that she deserved success. This alignment led her to become one of the most influential and successful women in the world. The role of patience and perseverance. It is important to note that aligning your subconscious with your conscious desires is not an overnight process. It requires patience, persistence, and constant effort. The subconscious mind is like a garden. You have to plant seeds, positive beliefs, and nurture them over time to see them grow. There will be moments of doubt or setbacks, but maintaining focus and commitment will eventually lead to the transformation you seek. In conclusion, making your subconscious work for you is a journey that requires understanding, patience, and constant commitment. By identifying and reprogramming limiting beliefs, using tools such as affirmations and visualization, taking conscious action, and surrounding yourself with positive influences, you can align your subconscious beliefs with your conscious desires. This alignment is the basis of effective manifestation and can lead to a life full of purpose, success, and fulfillment. As you embark on this journey, remember that your subconscious mind is not an enemy. It is a powerful ally that, once aligned with your goals, can help you achieve more than you ever thought possible. So start digging deep today, reprogram your mind, and watch how your desires turn into reality. After all, the mind is not just a tool, it is the key to unlocking your highest potential. By mastering the art of subconscious alignment, you can create a life that not only fulfills your desires, but also resonates with your true self. And this, perhaps, is the most powerful manifestation of all. We just explored some fascinating psychology insights that can help you understand yourself and the world around you. Which idea stood out the most to you? Drop a comment below. And if you enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe, tap that notification bell so you don't miss future videos, and share this with someone who loves learning about psychology too. If you're interested in more psychology-based insights, practical tips, and discussions, join our community. See you in the next video, and until then, keep learning, growing, and exploring. Don't miss out. We've got even more free insights waiting for you. Click the link in the description and unlock the next step on your journey.